Create content in a bulk. Hey guys, Rana here, and in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can create bulk content for your Instagram, YouTube Shorts, Pinterest, or maybe TikTok. I'll show you only 3 simple steps to create or prepare all your content for your social media network. So in the end of this video, I'll give you a bonus tip to make thousands of dollars with the content that we are going to create in a bulk. Before we proceed with the first step, please hit the like button, that would be appreciated, and I'll bring more valuable content every single week on this channel. So without wasting more time, let's create a content in a bulk. Okay, but in a first step, we have to do some keyword research. Without keyword research, there is no meaning to create content, whether you are creating content in a bulk or one by one. There are so many ways to do keyword research. I'll make this tutorial as simple as possible. Moreover, I'll use only free tools so that everyone out there can use these tools without spending any money. And one more important thing before we start this, you're going to spend most of your time doing some keyword research. Content creation part is not going to be that difficult part that it used to be, because we have AI tools that are going to help us to create bulk content. First and most important tool we have here is Google Trend. Everyone knows about this. This is a free tool, but don't know the power behind this tool. Go to Google Trends. Google Trend is going to help you in many different ways to find your perfect keyword or a niche. You can go to either Explore, or you can click over here. Click on Explore. It will take you to the same page. Here, you simply have to type your keyword that you have in your mind. You can type something like IPL 2023 and press enter, and it will show you the trends. And here you can see this topic is trending now. So this is the one way, and this is not a keyword research tutorial. I'm showing you this because you must use this tool before you proceed with the next tool. Okay, the next tool we are going to use is YouTube. Come to YouTube and type your keyword. Press space and you will see many type of keyword over here. Okay, you can choose any of them. Let's say it rhymes for babies. If you scroll down, you can see that this keyword is a very popular and a high demand. Why? Because if you look at here, this video got 5.1 billion views. Scroll down and this video has 2.8 billion views, millions views, and a billion views. Scroll down and 1.8 billion once again. So I decided to go with this keyword. And next, we're going to use another free tool to do some keyword research. Open your 𝗃𝗶𝗱𝗏 extension. If you do not have 𝗃𝗶𝗱𝗏 extension, you can go to your Chrome browser and install the extension from there and connect with your YouTube account. Once you connect it, you will see interface like this. And here, click on Keyword Explorer, type your keyword, rhymes for babies, English. Let's see. So as you can see, it says this is an excellent keyword to create a content on, because the search volume is high, competition is low, optimization strength is excellent. Let's copy the keyword and let's move to the next step. In this step, let's go to ChatGPT. If you do not know what is ChatGPT, it is an AI tool that's going to help us to generate the content. You can ask anything to ChatGPT and it will answer any question that you throw its way. Just ask ChatGPT, write 4 rhymes for babies English. Press enter and it will give you 5 rhymes. So now we have 5 rhymes. If you want more, just type continue writing please and press enter. And it will give you 5 more rhymes for babies. Alright, so now we have 5 more rhymes. So I gave you overall idea so that you can generate as many content as you want using ChatGPT. So now we have content. Let's move to the next part. To create a content, we're going to use canva.com. So first I'll show you how to create a single video, and then I'll show you how to create a content in a bulk and search for YouTube Shorts. Click over here. You can search for Instagram Reels, Pinterest, or maybe TikTok. It's all up to you. Process will be the same, and here you will see different types of template that you can use. Let's choose one of them. Let's go for this one. Click on customize this template. So this is the canvas where you can customize your YouTube short template or any template that you choose. When you hover your mouse over any element, you can select them, you can delete them, or you can ungroup them. Anything you want, you can do it from here. Or you can right click, you can delete it, you can do anything you like. It's self-explanatory. I'm not going to waste your time. This is a drag and drop tool that allow you to create videos, poster, images, or any type of graphic stuff. So I'm going to delete these videos. Okay, so now let's come over here to element and search for babies and press enter. Go to videos and click over here and select vertical, or you can select free or pro. It's all up to you. Then click over here once again and you will see the vertical videos. Here you can choose any type of video. Let's go for this one. Click over here. You can add this video over here. Now right click, layer, send backward, or maybe layer, send to back. Okay. And this text, you can edit them. You can delete this emoji if you want. For this page, let's add another video. Let's go for this one. You can adjust the duration just by dragging and dropping the slider. So once you customize your pages, let's go to ChatGPT and copy any rhyme that you like. Come back here on the first page, and here you will see the text. Double click, paste your rhyme. Come over here and scale it down. I'm going to delete this one. Now we have only rhyme. You can change the font if you want. Select any font that you like. Once you select your font, let's go to effects. Let's add effect. Now you can add animation if you want. Let's go to burst. Let's click over here. And here you can see we have different types of animation. So like this one, let's click over here. If you don't like the music, select the video and delete the track. If you want to add a music, let's go to 𝗃𝗶𝗱𝗲 and click on music. And here you can search any music that you like. Search for kids music and press enter. Now scroll down, and here you can use any of this music without copyright issue. Play any music. If you like it, download. Once you download your music, come back to Canva and let's upload the music. Go to upload, click on upload file and upload your music. To add this music, click over here and your music will be added. You can extend this if you want, or you can shrink it if you want. Now let's play. So this is an overall idea to create content. So once you're happy with your YouTube short, you can download it by clicking on the share button, and here you can see the download button and download your video and upload on YouTube. Alright, so I have created content in a single form. Now let me show you how you can create a content in a bulk form. First of all, you have to delete these two pages. You must have only one page. So right click, delete page, right click, delete page. So we have only one single page. You can extend or shrink the duration if you want. Once you do it, let's go to google.com. and come over here, scroll down and click on Google Sheets. And here, select the blank template. Now leave this page as it is. Let's go to ChatGPT and copy your generated content. Let's copy first 5 rhymes. Come back to Google Sheets. Click over here and paste your rhymes. Now copy another 5. Scroll down. Okay, so now we have 10 rhymes. You can add as many content as you want. Once you do it, give a name. Then go to file and make sure you download as a CSV. Once you download your file, go to Canva, come to this page where we left off. Now come over here and you will see this option, bulk create. Click over here, click on upload CSV and upload your file. So this is my CSV file. Select it, click open. Okay, once you do it, select your text, right click, connect data and select the first line, and then you will see this option, continue. Click over here and select all. You will see all of your rhymes over here. In this case, we have 9, and then click on generate 9 pages. There you go. You can duplicate this music, right click, duplicate track. So now you can see Canva has generated the 9 pages. That means we have 9 videos. Now all you have to do, just select the text and scale it down and adjust them if this goes out of the frame. And of course, you can select any page and customize it according to your requirement. If you don't want the same style, you can add different types of videos, emojis, text, font, animation. It's all up to you, but it will be time consuming. If you see these type of transitions, select them and click on none. These transitions will be removed. This is very important. And lastly, if you want to add voice with the music, you can either record yourself with Canva or you can use text-to-speech AI tools. I'll provide you some links where you can generate text-to-speech voices and add them below each pages. Once you do it, let's go to share button and then click on download. And here you can click over here all pages and unselect all of them. And select these pages one by one and download them. And there you go. So in this bonus tip, open any affiliate network. You can go to PartnerStack, ClickBank, or you can go to impact.com or any other affiliate network you can use. On that affiliate network, search for affiliate program related to your niche. Once you find your affiliate program, apply for it. Once they approve your application, you will get an affiliate link. Copy that affiliate link and paste under your video description and tell your viewer, please go to my bio if you want the product. So this is how you can make thousands of dollars with affiliate network using your YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok Reels, or whatever social media platform you like to use. You add this method and make money. So as you can see, this much money I have generated with the same method. You can achieve the same result if you do exactly what I've shown you in this video. And please do let me know in the comment section which part of this video you like or don't like. And don't forget to hit the like button if you haven't yet. And subscribe to the channel for more valuable content just like this one. That being said, goodbye till then. See you next time.